Hello and welcome to Vieremä, to Ponsse factory where we are now. And here you can see on the background one of the first serial produced Ponsse forest machines. We'll be here today sharing you the story of our journey to the data-driven forestry. My name is Miika Soininen, and I'm working as a Director of Digital Services and IT at Ponsse. And I've been now working about 4 years with Ponsse, and I joined Ponsse in 2018 as an IT manager in responsible of the business software running Ponsse business. Back then, I used to have a 3-person team, and since then we have been growing our team, and almost immediately when I started, 2 of the persons in my team quit, and we have been then going a long road since then, and I have now a team of 36 people, plus we have quite a big amount of partners working for us, so our digital services and IT development team is now about 90 persons. Before joining Ponsse, I have experience in different positions, both in software R&D and business IT. I've been working out of it different kind of data-driven services and seeing a different kind of development projects during my career. And before joining Ponsse, I was working as a managing director of a consultancy company, which had about 100 people working. And since then, I've worked from Ponsse. Now I report to Group CEO Juho Nummela and have been also the management team member since December 2020. And here I have also with me co-presenting Nikhil Sharma.
Yeah, thank you, Miika. Hi, so my name is Nikhil Sharma. I'm working as a Director of Product Management at Copado. Also take a step back and look at my career here. So I've been studied mechanical engineering and worked quite many years researching a lot of mechanical engineering related projects, and just to realize that software is really getting very crucial to machines, like it's becoming the heart of every machinery. And that's when I gradually started moving towards computer sciences and IT. For the last 8 to 9 years, I've been working in testing and test automation, and that's essentially because I like to break things and prove things wrong. And that's when I also met Miika. I was working as a test automation engineer, worked for quite many companies, ramped up their test automation projects. And then the latter half of it, I've been working in capacity of product manager for a product that's called Copado robotic testing. We will talk about it later on in the slides. Right. And then on Copado, it's the #1 low-code DevOps and testing company, enabling enterprises to reach their what we call DevOps nirvana. I am very much focused into the testing side of the business. So that would be the main focus of my talk track. Miika, for you, when I look at harvesters and many other people look at harvesters in forest somewhere logging boots, people don't think about software. Where all software is present when there's a logging harvester in the forest.
Yeah, nowadays basically the software is driving the harvesters. It's totally a software controlled system, and the data is now really essential for our customers. In fact, this is one of my favorite quotes from the customer, and when I heard this last June from the customer, I had to write it down immediately. Basically, our customer was saying that they don't want to operate the machines anymore if they don't have the data from the machines, and that's telling us that there has been big change also in the market, and what's the meaning for the software for our customers, that they need the data so much that they don't want to run the machines anymore and harvest the food without the data. And to put it into context, this particular customer is harvesting in Canada. Their conditions is good to be understood also because they are operating quite on the large area. It might be that it's 200 miles from the workshop to the working areas, and it might be an